Good afternoon. This is Lance Bryce with Thrive Mortgage. It is July 1st, almost 2 o'clock on Monday afternoon. Hope everybody is having a great week, had a great weekend, and is looking forward to a good 4th of July week in a short week this week. The bond markets are pretty active this week, and they have been over the last 7 to 10 days, and it hasn't all been good. We've seen rates pressured slightly higher, still very near all-time lows, but pressured a little bit higher as we've seen progress in trade negotiations with China. We saw some news this morning that there is a ceasefire with regard to no new tariffs on either side until they reach some kind of agreement. That's good news. Good news for the stock market, and we're seeing stocks broadly higher, testing new record highs with each day's close, and they're headed towards higher ground today as well. That is putting pressure on the bond market. That translates into slight upward pressure on interest rates as bonds compete for that space. So when we think about it, if you want to encourage bond traders to buy bonds, then you're going to want to pay a higher yield, and you're going to lower the price of those bonds. And that's why you see bonds get a little bit cheaper, and you see the rates move higher in the face of Dow strength and folks buying stocks. So we're seeing that at play now. More good news is going to result in more of the same. So my inclination is to advise folks to lock in their rates. When they see something that they like, they need to go ahead and grab it. So I'm looking at any locks over the next 30 to 45 days, closing in the next 4 to 6 weeks, probably going to have a strong locking bias as we look at these economic issues working their way out. In any event, I hope this is helpful for you and for your clients. We are always honored by your referrals. We do mortgages for a living here and would love to have your support if you find this information valuable. Number here is 210-260-9660. This is Lance Bryce with Thrive Mortgage. Have a great week.